What's up, everybody? Welcome to our Wednesday What the Truck video. As always, we've got Russell here and myself, Tom. We're your humble hosts. Today, Russell has got some amazing, groundbreaking footage, or as I like to call it, footage, of the Nismo Off-Road Lighting System manufactured for Nissan by Rigid Industries.
Yeah.
Which I would say is the premier lighting manufacturer in the whole universe, the whole lighting universe.
For sure.
I got a few details. We're going to talk about, our lumens are going to be brought up or shown in this video.
Yeah.
The big question is, what the hell is a lumen? Right? And there's no, I tried to look it up before I came in here to try and make sense out of it. And it's obviously, people have developed this that are far more intelligent than I am. A lumen is the total output of light, aka the brightness.
Yeah.
So the bigger the number, the brighter it is. But there's no real way of putting it into perspective as far as like, you know, 1,000 lumens is the same as X, right?
I think there is another light measurement. Isn't there like a candle power?
There is a few.
But I mean,
the candle power, I looked that up too because I was like, okay, what does 8,600 lumens mean in candle power?
Yeah.
There's a mathematical equation, but I'm not going to even try to pretend like I figured it out.
Right.
So candle power is the brightest part of the beam of a light.
Yeah.
Right? And then lumens is the total output of light.
Yeah.
Watts is the amount of energy used. So that's that. I wish I could give you all a better definition.
I mean, generally speaking, easy way to think about it is if you want a lot of light, the higher the number, the better.
Yeah. And there's like also like distance that can be measured on like X amount of lumens can travel this distance and still be intense.
I got you.
But that's like,
I guess that makes sense. Like when I'm running, you know, in the winter months when it's dark and I'm out running, I wear a headlamp, and I have a headlamp that's 150, 200 lumens, and then I got one that's 400 or 500, and there is a massive difference.
Right. And how far ahead of the trail you can see.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, the bigger the number, the brighter it is, and the more projection. I'm going to put this out there. The more projection you're going to get. I have no idea if that's true or not.
We're going to project, all right.
But
right
it sounds like I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And these are probably marked on the packaging for off-road use only.
So the round lights are off-road only because these are driving lights. The fog lamps are street legal. So Nismo had, I think they brought these on board because they do fit in the off-road bumpers from Nismo. Now, you can install them on whatever you want. But if you're using it as a fog light, with it being down at the ground, they're street legal. Now, I think if you were to bring it up, it's going to not be legal anymore.
So these are not, the biggies, the big boys, are not street legal.
Right.
Yeah, because I looked into that as well. That's got to do with the amount of lumens that are legal for road use.
Yeah.
And that varies from state to state. California is 2,513 lumens. It's the max you can have your headlights. All of these are above that, but I guess with it being low enough to the ground, it's okay.
It's not going to hit people's
People
eyes.
in the eyes, yeah, because there are going to be idiots that want to drive around with these on.
Yeah, I've seen them around town before.
I know. I'm glad it's
not specifically, because it isn't Nissan drivers. No way it's a Nissan driver.
No, it's just people, like, is it just me or is the headlights crazy bright and crazy not focused on the road?
Yeah, headlights are something else now.
I know. Okay, so it's not just me. Okay.
No, it's not just you.
Right.
So I've got some unboxing videos because I know, when you see a new product come out, this is what you see. This is what we're going to show you. And then you see nothing else. And then, what's in the box? What's in the box? So let's jump into some unboxing. Enjoy.
Relax and enjoy.
Yeah. That's a 4-inch fog lamp, 3,060 lumens.
From that small
Yeah,
lamp.
yeah. Incredible. Let's just keep rolling here. Let's take a look at the 4-inch round.
Let's check them out.
This is the driving light. Is also 3,060 lumens. So, yeah.
Looks like 4 LEDs in there.
Yeah.
Again.
I'd be willing to bet that this one probably appears brighter to you if you look directly into it than that one because of the kind of dispersion.
Well, I don't recommend anyone looking directly
Don't.
into these when they're on.
Don't.
But, I mean, this is a fluted reflector in the back, it
Yeah.
looks like. Or is that the lens in there? These things are kind of trick.
Yeah, they are. They're strange. I really want to take one apart.
Right. But the 4-inch round has a clear lens in front. It looks like the LEDs are behind a second fluted lens, which is probably a magnifier as well, I'm guessing.
Yeah. We need to get these installed so we can see them.
We do.
Test them out.
Just hook them up, just put them on a battery.
Yeah. So while we're talking about these small lights, let's jump into the A-pillar mount brackets and show those off. brackets are custom made for your truck. There's a part number for the D41, which is what showed you here and what we have. Then there's a separate part number for the D40, N50, R51. So, and they're definitely different brackets. I've seen the pictures of the other ones, and they definitely look a lot different.
And these are made out of aluminum.
Yeah.
So it'll save you a lot of weight.
Powder coated black.
Yeah, with a textured finish.
Yeah, they look really nice. I think you can install these. I've seen a lot of people with brackets on their A-pillars that you can tell are made for the car. They're kind of universal, and they look like...
They're kind of like, just like shelves.
Or people who have mounted them to the hoods. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
It's terrible. Don't do that. Don't do that. So just while we're talking about the brackets, if you have on the D41 Frontier, if you have the kind of roll bar deal that they have mounts on top of that for these lights. So you don't have to do anything. It's just, you just pop the bolts out and go to town.
Nice.
It's ready to go. And you know, what better way to end it than with the 6-inch lights? We have installed these on the truck. And I got to demo them on our showroom floor one morning before we opened up. Now the lights in the building are on all the time, but when I turned it on, it was almost like the rest of the building was dark.
Yeah.
We did a video a long time ago, and I kind of showed some of that, but it's kind of hard to tell. We really want to take these out into the wild, but you know, let's jump into that unboxing video so you can see what all comes with this one.
Let's check it out.
See, just like all the other lights we showed you, is that these come with the mounting brackets. They come with all the hardware, they come with the wiring, they come with everything you need to install them on your truck from Nissan, Nismo, Rigid, whoever. And all this stuff is high quality. Like the wiring, the plugs, everything is top notch.
Yeah, you can't fault these at all.
Yeah, nothing's been cheaped out or anything like that. So any installation you do is going to look really nice. Get in the description. I'll have links to all this stuff. If you go to our off-road section, all these lights are listed there, the brackets, everything. Even lift kits if you want one of those.
In stock, ready to ship.
Ready to ship. You see them right here.
All right,
ready to go. So, yeah, somebody get these fog lights and send me a video of them at nighttime in the woods. Eyes.
We're going to have to do that.
Distance.
We're going to have to do that soon.
Yeah. Thank you for checking out the channel.
What more can we say? What an illuminating video.
Yes, and
enlightening.
If you catch me on Friday, I'm planning on doing a quick, short live stream. Let's say short stream. Quick live stream to see if we can get the microphone audio issues worked out.
Sync, like right when the video.
Just testing it out. Yeah, Tom won't be here, so it'll just be me. So we can talk smack about Tom.
About me.
All right, guys. Thank you.
See you soon.